Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a Winter Park, Florida personal injury attorney. I saw an interesting story on one of the local television stations recently about a frustrated family whose loved one was involved in a very serious car accident down in Osceola County. Apparently the accident happened at an intersection, and as typical in intersection collision cases, there's a big question about who caused the accident or who entered the intersection on a green light or who was negligent. This intersection apparently had 4 or 5 fixed cameras on top of the light poles and the traffic lights in the intersection, which showed exactly how the accident happened. So actually one of my buddies was the lawyer who was representing someone in that accident and went to the Osceola County government and asked for a recording of the cameras. The story was about the fact that in most of the fixed cameras that you see around intersections all over Central Florida, and apparently there are hundreds and hundreds, maybe even 1,000 placed throughout the city and county, almost none of those cameras record anything. They're just live cameras. The only cameras apparently that record anything are the red light cameras, who are recording your tag when you roll through a red light or stop sign illegally. But the majority of the cameras that you see don't record anything. And I think, as my buddy who was involved in this case does, that that's a travesty. That these cameras would solve, if they were recording things, it would solve a ton of problems in terms of determining who was at fault in the accident, who wasn't. In my buddy's case, his client's brain injured and doesn't remember anything about how the accident happened. So the other driver realizes this and is saying that it's all the brain injured person's fault. The brain injured person doesn't have the capability to defend himself in such a situation. So if these things were recorded, it would be critical. Now apparently local and state governments saying, oh, well, we couldn't afford the infrastructure to record these cameras. Well, I don't think it takes that much memory to do it. There are cloud-based memory systems, and it wouldn't have to be high definition, 1080p video. It could be very low quality video as long as you had something that would tell you something about how the accident happened. So if anyone's seeing this and has any connection to the decision makers in terms of getting these videos recorded, or perhaps wants to take a run at Tallahassee at the Florida legislature to see if we can get all of these videos recorded, I would be 100% behind that effort. So if you have any questions regarding a Florida car accident, if you think it was captured on camera somewhere, give us a call so we can talk about it. Call us at our office at 407-254-4901 and ask for me or my law partner Robert Hemphill, or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.